Fix a carriage jam or an E3 error message for the HP DeskJet 2900, 4300, 5100, and 5800 printer series. If your printer stops feeding pages and displays an E3 error code, then the printer is experiencing a carriage jam. Follow these steps to fix the issue. After each step, try to print again. If you are still experiencing the same issue, move on to the next step. Step 1. Remove and reinstall the cartridges. Open the cartridge access door. The carriage moves to the center of the cartridge access area. A loose cartridge can cause an E3 error code. If the carriage does not move to the center of the access area, proceed to Step 2. Remove the cartridges by lightly pressing down on them. Reinstall the cartridges so that they snap into place. The cartridges make a click sound when they are fully installed. Close the cartridge access door. Step 2. Check for obstructions in the carriage path. Press the Resume button and wait until the printer is silent. If the E3 error is still displaying on the control panel, proceed with this step. Power off the printer. Then disconnect the power cord from the printer. Open the cartridge access door. Make sure the carriage is not obstructed by gently sliding it from side to side. If the carriage appears stuck and did not move into position in the previous step, it is possible that a loose cartridge is preventing it from moving. Press the ink cartridges into the carriage to slide it out. Remove any obstructions in the carriage path, such as small pieces of paper. Close the cartridge access door. Reconnect the power cord. Power on the printer. Step 3. Reset the printer. Press the power button to turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the printer. Then unplug the cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Plug the cord back into the power source. HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Reconnect the power cord to the printer. Power on the printer to complete the reset.